Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw in your notebooks or add drawings that you have created on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should either choose from the already existing notebooks in the documents section, or you can also create a new document by tapping on this new icon, tapping on notebook, choosing the paper you would like to draw on, and tapping on the button create at the top of the screen. After selecting the size of the paper by tapping on this A7 iPhone icon in the middle of the screen, and you can also give a title to your notebook. After these steps are done, scroll down till you find a blank paper, and then you should tap on this pencil icon at the top of the screen. Here you can choose from a bunch of tools. As you can see, if you tap on this pen icon, you can choose the pen style, such as a fountain pen, ball pen, or brush pen. Then you can also select the pressure sensitivity. And if you are done, go back by this button. And if you tap on the last icon, you can also select the size of the pen and the color of it. Tap on the relevant ones, and now you are ready to draw anything that you like. If you are done with your drawing, you should go back, and as you can see, it has been added to your page. But you can also get rid of your drawing or erase any part of it by tapping on this second icon, which is an eraser. As you can see, it has been erased. If you tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can do changes with this drawing. You can copy the page, rotate this page, and add it to your favorite, or even move this whole page to the trash by tapping on this move page to trash icon. But if you are done with your changes and with your drawing, just go back by this button, and now the changes have been saved into your notebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.